Good morning, everybody. Here's a schedule and our homework for today. It is Thursday, so we have to go to Raz Kids, and I want you to choose a book from there and read it. So I'm just going to click here really quick, and I'll show you how to do that. So I can choose any book and a new book, maybe that you haven't read before. Click this one. Oops. Go here, and I'm going to click record, and I will read it. So you have to click the red button right here, and now it's recording, and you see my voice. The Woodsy Band Jam. The Woodsy Band Jam. Spring is here, said Woodchuck. Let's jam, he said. Out came Elk. I'll play my horn, said Elk. Out came Bear. I'll play my banjo, said Bear. So then when I'm done, I'm going to click here. And if I want to listen, I'll click here. And if I want to do it again, I'll click here. But when I'm all done, let's see. Let's just listen. When I'm all done, I'll go all the way to the end, and then I'll do the quiz. Okay. That's how you do the reading for Raz Kids. And then after Raz Kids, you need to do choose your homework. You can choose any one of these. Only choose one. And also today we have our Zoom meeting at 1 p.m. We're going to take a field trip online. Okay, so tenemos una reunión de video hoy a las 1. So I hope to see everybody there, and have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.